Have you ever wondered how makeup artists create that mesmerizing, eye-widening effect you see on celebrities? It's often the magic of the halo eye, a technique that has evolved beautifully over time. Let's journey back to the glamorous era of old Hollywood. Think of the iconic starlets of the 1920s and 30s. They used a technique very similar to the modern halo eye to make their eyes pop on black and white film. The goal was to create depth and dimension. They would place darker shadows on the inner and outer corners of the eye, leaving the center of the lid bright. This created an illusion of a larger, more rounded eye shape, which was considered incredibly captivating. This strategic placement of light and dark is the core principle of the halo eye. For those with naturally round eyes, this technique is a game changer. Instead of fighting your natural shape, it enhances it. The dark shades on the outer and inner thirds of the eyelid add structure and elongates the eye horizontally, preventing it from looking overly circular. The bright, shimmery shade placed right in the center of the lid, directly above the pupil, draws light and makes the iris sparkle. It's like putting a spotlight right on the most expressive part of your eye. Fast forward to the vibrant experimental makeup of the 1960s. Artists like Twiggy took eye makeup to a whole new level. While she was known for her dramatic cut crease, the underlying concept of using contrast to reshape the eye was very present. They played with bold colors and graphic lines, but the idea of accentuating the center of the eye remained a powerful tool. This era showed us that the halo effect isn't just about subtle definition. It can be bold and artistic. For round eyes, this means you can play with color. Imagine a deep plum on the corners and a sparkling lilac in the center, or a rich emerald green framing a flash of gold. The halo technique provides a perfect canvas for this kind of creativity, all while flattering your natural eye shape. The key is balance. The darker shades provide the contour, carving out a more almond-like shape, while the pop of light in the middle ensures your eyes look open, bright, and full of life. It's a method that works with your features, not against them, creating a harmonious and balanced look. Now, let's bring it to the present day. The halo eye has become a staple for makeup artists and beauty lovers alike, especially on social media. But it's more refined than ever. We've moved from harsh lines to soft, seamless blends. The modern halo eye is all about diffusion. For round eyes, this is fantastic news. A beautifully blended halo creates a soft focus effect that is incredibly flattering. Start with a medium-toned transition shade blended through your crease and slightly above it. This creates the initial shape and gradient. Then take your deeper shade and carefully pat it onto the inner and outer third of your mobile eyelid, leaving the center bare. Take a clean, fluffy brush and gently blend the edges where the dark and medium shades meet. Don't overblend. You want to maintain that distinct placement. Now for the star of the show, the light, reflective shade. Using your finger or a flat brush, press it onto the center of your lid. This is where the halo comes to life. Your finger provides the best color payoff and helps the shimmer adhere. Finally, to complete the illusion of an elongated eye, take that same deep shade and smudge it along the outer and inner parts of your lower lash line, connecting it to the top. Leave the center of the lower lash line bare, or add a touch of the light shimmer shade to mirror the eyelid. The evolution of this technique shows us a timeless principle. Makeup is about using light and shadow to sculpt and enhance. 4 round eyes. The halo technique is not just a trend, it's a fundamental tool for achieving a flattering, dimensional, and utterly captivating look. It's a celebration of your natural eye shape, cleverly tweaked to create the most stunning effect. By understanding its history, from the silver screen to the age of social media, we can appreciate the artistry behind it. It's more than just putting on eyeshadow. It's about painting with light. This method provides structure where needed and brightness where it will have the most impact. It elongates, defines, and illuminates all in one. So, the next time you're getting ready, remember the power of the halo. It's a classic for a reason. It adapts, it evolves, but its core purpose remains the same: to make your eyes the undeniable focus, looking bigger, brighter, and more beautiful than ever before. It's proof that sometimes the most effective techniques are the ones that have stood the test of time, continually reinventing themselves for a new generation.